Hey, it's your boy AJ, back at it again with another video. Don't know what's this, but we're doing a DIY wall. We're gonna paint our room, design our room. Hopefully, it'll look good at the very end. Right now, I'm gonna protect the carpet, so got some taping on the corners. Then we have this little fabric and plastic, so any spillage will be caught there. Here's the bed, king size bed. Right now, the color we're thinking is black, and the design what we're doing is more of a collage abstract. So there's going to be like vectors and geometric angles and triangles. So hopefully it'll look good. I don't know. I don't know what to do here. I'll probably like leave massive blank and put my last name because I'm that vain. We're gonna have a TV there, hanging TV, well, attached to the wall. And there's gonna be a whiteboard here. The whole room's gonna be black. We want it to be like black, aesthetic black. Hopefully, that's what we're looking for. Yeah, there's gonna be like random patterns. And finger cross, if I can cross my finger, that it looks good. That it will look good. And we have this. Oh my gosh. You only find this in Asian households. Like, comment down below if you had this one of back in the days at your house. Alright, let's go and start taping. So as we zoom in into this paint obnoxiously, your boy forgot to press record. So we're already halfway painting the black shapes. So here we are. I think we're gonna put another black triangle here. Then we're gonna go for a second coating. Then we're gonna add the yellow. Yeah, we'll add the yellow. A few moments later, after finishing the second coating. Right now, we've done the blacks. Now time to do the yellow triangle-ish. Yeah, there's mostly triangle. Yeah, more painting. Well, everything's finished. All we just have to do is take off the tapes. But I just finished the yellow, so just wait for like 5 minutes. Then we'll peel off the tapes. But while doing that, we'll work on another project. Alright, I'll see you in 5 minutes. 5 minutes later. In it. Alright. Alright. It's getting dark, so I had to turn on the lights. Yeah, let's peel the tape and see if we did okay. Looks fine, but let's do the final reveal. Should probably turn your volume up. The paint's still wet. No. Start with this. Oh. Messed up a little bit over there, but that's where we're gonna put the bed. Maybe. We'll see. Ooh! It looks kinda cool. Yeah! Hey, hey, hey. Yeah! Right. Small people problem. There's actually a tape on the very top, but we can't reach. We got hops, but we don't need hops. We need a ladder. So yeah. I'll do like a better view of it, but that is a better view. So there you go. That's one wall, and I think I'm gonna do one more here in this little corner. Yeah, stay tuned for part 2. Welcome to AJ's voiceover. This is the wall. Turned out really well. Just don't look too close because I messed up a few bits and pieces there. Here's another angle. I kind of like it. Actually, I really like it. Thanks for listening. AJ Barcino is out.
Peace.